In today's video, I want to carry on our discussion about this new AI generating tool. Okay, it's called Kling AI. I already made one video about it, and I thought it might be a good idea just to carry on with this topic, as this new tool is quite impressive. Okay, many people start using it, and it's the audience is just simply growing. Okay, let me see if they have any sort of stats. They don't have a stats here, but the reason I believe so is just they simply start they not allow the similar web to get in access to their data. Okay, so I think that's the reason that there's no stats. Definitely many people are actually start using this website, and the audience is growing. So let's go into it and start once again, by reminding you guys that this is a tool which you can start using free of charge. On a daily basis, you'll be topping up by 66 credits. Okay, so those 66 credits can last for, let's say, about 10 videos, really up to how many things you want to do with that video editing and special features. Okay, but as I said, like, for 66 credits a day, you can definitely come up with the idea on how to use this tool. You can test it out, and then if you decided that this is something you want to actually go ahead and invest in, here is the pricing. Okay, I always would like to go with the monthly first. So for $5 you gonna get yourself 660 credits. For $18.50, 3,000 credits, and $46, 8,000 credits annually. It equals to 60 per year, and that's the equivalent here of the annual what you call a billing. Okay, so and hold on a second, that's one thing which it's worth mentioning, that you're gonna get 50% of all membership plans, 50% off if you decided that this is something you want to use. For some time there's a sale going on each of those bundles. Okay, so as previously mentioned in another video of mine, there are two things you can currently do. You can do AI images and AI videos. Video editor is still not available, but it will be available shortly. Okay, so here are some examples of the work which already been done by the other users. Okay, we can click on it. Okay, for example, we like this prompt, this image. Okay, what we can go ahead and clone and try it. So basically you will be doing that. You can recreate this. Okay, recreate this. The prompt is ready there. Let's say that you like this image and you want to recreate, so you can simply click on clone and try it, and that will be converted into the new page where you have everything from scratch. You can do some adjustments, but the core of that picture will stay as it is on this one here. Okay, so it's worth to remember that you actually can go and pick one of those images and just work on them. Okay, without coming up with your own unique idea if you don't have one. Okay, it might give you some sort of inspiration. If you don't know what to create, some of those images already been created by the other users, might give you some inspiration, and you can start just testing your idea based on those ones already been there. Okay, but in this video I want to go ahead and do some AI videos once again. So let's say that we want to do videos from the text. Okay, there are two options. We can do the videos from the image. Okay, so we can put the image. I covered that previously. We can do the video by we are dropping the image here, and the video will be created based on that image which we previously pasted here. Okay, I covered that in the previous video, but this time I want to go ahead and do the text. Okay, text to video thing. Okay, so first and foremost we have to come up with a prompt. All right, so I have one prompt which I want to test it in this video. So here's the prompt. Okay, I want to see cats playing a football game on the stadium in front of the large audience. Okay, here's the prompt. You have a 2,500 characters available for you, so you definitely can do some sort of essay even if you wish to do so with this prompt in, and be very, very precise. Okay, so that's one thing. Okay, let's move into the settings now. how creative or relevant you want to be this video to be. Okay, so we can keep it in the middle. Okay, so it'll be both creativity and relevance will be kept in balance. If we want, however, to be more creative, okay, but by creative and relevant, okay, so if we keep more as a relevant, let's say we want relevance, 100% relevance, basically means that this tool will keep as close as possible, as close as relevant to the prompt we were given previously. Okay, if you want, however, to be a 100% creative, on the other hand, this tool will actually do some, there will be a creativity. Okay, so we can have a cat plus dogs and other, animals playing the football as well. I'm just guessing. You never know what the AI tool will come up with, but that's the reason. That's the difference between the creativity and relevance. Okay, if we want, however, to keep it in the middle, okay, will be both. They will be relevant to the prompt, however, we'll add additional creativity on top of that. Okay, and I think I want to keep it as it is. Now, mode, right? So standard mode, faster generation, professional mode, better visual quality. Okay, so we will stick with the standard mode. Okay, professional mode, it's only for the premium users only, so you have to go and upgrade. But we will be using that 66 free credits for today video. Okay, so length 5 seconds. Again, if you want to go for 10 seconds, it's not available for the moment. And then if you want to go ahead and choose the aspect ratio of your video, it's also you can choose between 16:9, 9:16, and 1:1. Okay, if you want to do a video for YouTube, there you go, 16:9, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, this 9:16. Okay, so let's go and stick to this video 16:9 ratio. Right, so another thing which is very handy to have here, and it's very popular, it's this camera movement. Okay, camera movement is basically showing you how do you want that camera being moving from. You want to be a horizontal, vertical, zoom, pan, tilt, roll. Okay, there are a few other options, however those options are only available for somebody who will actually sign up for the premium version. Okay, so this premium master, this move down and zoom out, here it goes. It's something like that you can expect if you want to choose one, but you need to pay for it first. Okay, I think the zoom is quite interesting. Okay, and here we go, and we can do like that. We can zoom in and we can also zoom out. All right, I think it's zoom in like that would be absolutely fine to see it. All right, plus if we have let's say some sort of negative prompts we want to include in our creation, we can definitely go ahead and put it here. I will leave it as it is for now, as black. Okay, now before we generate, let's see how much it's gonna cost us. Okay, so 10 credits for for this video to be generated. Remember, 66 credits a day. So in a nutshell, if you want to do let's say 6 videos, that will cover that 666 credits a day. So basically you can have like a 6 videos a day with this free credits. So it's plenty to test it around, to see if that's something you might like it, you might want decided to purchase. Okay, another thing which I like about this tool is that it's gonna give you an itemized bill. All right, itemized bill is basically it's showing you how much, it's basically it's giving you an invoice for the whole creation. Okay, so in this occasion you got a standard mode video generation. It's gonna cost you 10 credits, and the total is 10 credits for it. Okay, if we want to have some additional things which will gonna be going around this video, okay, we definitely we will be showing those things will be shown here, so it will be a breakdown. Let's say that they're gonna decide us to charge us 15 credits. You're gonna know how much each particular thing was costing you. Okay, which I think is a great idea to have, because on some of those tools which I tested before, to just simply saying to you that it's gonna cost you 10 credits or 15 credits, but you don't see the breakdown. Okay, so here you can see this bill has been precisely itemized, so you will be knowing how much particular thing is costing you. Okay, so now, okay, everything is ready. Let's go and generate. and the generation is in place now. So let's say how it's already 6 7, yeah, 7% now. This should be ready very shortly from now. Just leave it, I'll put this video on hold and I will come back to you guys once this creation is ready. Now, the final result is here. It didn't take too much of a time. It's about, I think about a minute, maybe minute and a half, and the video was created. And look at this, the outcome. I think it's quite impressive. It's obviously it's not perfect, but from the prompt I requested, I definitely see that it came up to it came up with a very nice video. Okay, we have a cats. Those cats are playing football on the stadium full of people. Okay, I don't see the football here, but doesn't matter. We can see this the stadium here, like and you got like a goal. You got you know you can do it different way. You can play the American football, you can play the soccer. It's the AI wasn't really sure which football I mean. Like if you are in Europe, you probably was saying like, okay, you probably meant soccer, but if you are in United States, you probably requested to be American football. Okay, that's why I put those two different goals here. Like so I think that's something which obviously you can work on. Like this is the first attempt, and if you're saying like, okay, that's something which I'll be interesting to work on more. Okay, you can go and improve that prompt to the way you like it. Okay, but the thing is that the within the minute, maximum two, this tool came up with a very good outcome. Okay, it's not perfect, but it's really close to what I was expecting to see, and it's only costed us 10 credits. Okay, we still have 56 credits we can play around. Let's say we want to improve on this one, so we can go ahead and do some additional prompting and see what the final result will be. As I said, like 66 credits a day, it's plenty to start off with and to see if this tool works for you. Okay, I think it's very promising. It's free of charge right now, so go ahead and take advantage of it. Okay, start playing around to see if that's something you like it. So guys, I think that's all what I want to cover in this video. If you like it, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave it below, and also if you can subscribe to my channel, will be much appreciated. Thank you very much.